Bird Sanctuary. Hello everybody, welcome to a small documentary on the Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary. Vedantangal, only a handful have heard the name. This is a place where a lot of international birds and Indian birds migrate at the time of late October until the end of April. Vedantangal is near to the city of Chengalpet, Tamil Nadu, India, 48 kilometers inland from the Bay of Bengal. It had been identified as a sanctuary in the year 1738. It's very old. Regarding the rainfall, the feed in summer, Agni Nakshatram, is very low, so not many birds migrate. The rainfall starts in August, and by late October, the moisture is perfect for birds. The place is infested with lots of green leafy trees. There are lots of information boards too for reading and learning new facts. The best time to visit is November to March. So, I paid a visit on the 15th of November to check this place out. It was very clean and there were lovely high lookout points to get a good snap of the birds. One of the first birds to arrive was the open-billed stork. Other commonly sighted birds are painted storks, egrets, spoon-billed pelicans, great cormorants, Indian cormorants, darters, Eurasian spoonbills, Asian openbills, black-headed ibises, grey herons, and purple herons. As you may have noticed, a really handy tool to take while bird watching is your trusty pair of binoculars. An interesting fact, did you know that the study of birds is called ornithology? Thank you very much for watching. I am the narrator and director Vaishnavi, and credits to the producer Lakshmi.